it's Paige and welcome back to another vlog. We are getting ready to go head to the beach. We're probably going to be out there till noon like we were yesterday, and then we're going to come back in and decide what we're going to do tonight. So I'll see you guys whenever we get down to the beach. Okay guys, so we are at the beach right now. Me and Mom are just sitting in a little cabana that we rented for the day, so then we don't get more sunburn than what we already have. And we're just overlooking the water right now. I don't know if I got that or not, but yeah, we're just sitting around here, and then in a little bit we're gonna go up to the pool, and then we're gonna go get some lunch. Like, we're gonna go make some sandwiches in our hotel room. So I'll see you guys whenever we go back up there for lunch. Okay guys, so we stayed at the beach for the rest of the day, and it is, trying to find a clock, it is 2:15 right now. And after lunch we went to the pool for a little bit, and then we went back to the beach, and then we hung out there the rest of the day. And we're getting ready to take a break real quick because that sun is like brutal. It drains you completely. And we're gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna be going somewhere. Mom didn't tell me exactly where we're going, but we're gonna go out to eat and just drive around, like kind of like what we did last night. So I'll see you guys whenever we're about to leave. Okay guys, so we've gotten ready and stuff. We took a little bit of a nap, and we're gonna be going to like something snack shack. Mom doesn't really remember like the whole name, but it's just like a seafood place. So we'll see you guys whenever we get there. Okay guys, so we've just made it to the Happy Side Snack Shack, and this is what I got. I got the crab cake dinner, and then Mom showed them what we got. So we're gonna eat this, and then we're gonna go walk on the beach, and so I'll see you guys when we get to the beach. Okay guys, so we've just made it to the pier, and we just got our tickets to come walk on it, and it's really cool. These waves are insane. They weren't like this earlier when we were at the beach. So how was your ultimate feast, Mom?
It was very good. This is really good.
Yeah, it is. There's someone kayaking out there. See if I can zoom in and get them. Yeah. Be kind of dangerous to kayak. Not unless you're like really experienced. It's super windy. You guys might not be able to hear me as good. So sorry about that. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, it was like 90 and up when we were at Universal, and it was like 20 to a park that hot. Oh, there's the guy kayaking again. So this is the boardwalk up here, whatever you want to call it. This is really cool.
Lots of people fishing.
Yep. And where are we?
Flagler Beach, Florida.
Guys, my phone just like stopped recording for some reason. But we're gonna go to the very end if we don't get hooked by a fish. Yeah, a lot of people fishing. Wait, is that a real bird? I think that's real. Oh, is that a real pelican? I don't know. If you guys have ever seen dolphin tail, oh my god, that's real. He's just staring.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I had to get a picture of it, so that's why my camera stopped again. I didn't think it was real at first. So we're at the end of the pier right now. We're just gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then we're probably gonna head back towards our hotel. Probably walk on the beach. So I'll see you guys when we get back to our hotel. Okay, guys, so we've just made it back to the room, and we had a really nice time tonight. Took a lot of pictures, and the boardwalk was really fun. And I know I was overly excited about seeing a real pelican, but you know, from where I'm from, we don't see those kind of birds, so. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the vlog so far. We're not in Daytona too much longer, so it's kind of sad, but we're having a really good time, and it'll be sad to leave, but we're glad it happened. So I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new day and a brand new vlog. Good night, guys.